Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lochi. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment and subscribe. Welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm not sure how the direction that this vlog is taking, but I specifically wanted to shoot today because I'll be going to Ballentines with my man and my friend. So now it's really early. It's like 12, I think, about 12-ish. I'm at my place. I want to do my makeup and dress up because all the clothes I wanted to wear are here, so I could do that from home. Yes, and but I also feel like it's a bit early for me to be doing my makeup because the event is starting at 7, and we're gonna leave at like maybe 5-ish because of this weird traffic situation with the fuel whatevers. I hope I'm not whispering. So ideally that's what I'm doing. I want to do my makeup, but I'm also still debating if I want to do my makeup because of the weather right now. I don't need to look like later on because of sweating and whatnot, but I'm gonna give it a bit more thought, like 30 minutes or so, and then we'll get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and before you do anything, please leave a like and share this video with your friends and your enemies. Whoops, sorry, I knocked like the tripod. Please share this video. It helps YouTube show my videos to more people. It helps them also. It also tells them that you guys like my stuff. So it would really mean a lot to me if you could share this video with other people. Thank you. Hey guys, so I have finished doing my makeup. I'm just remaining with my lips. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing more later. I've been taking my time doing my face because I said easily and I still haven't figured out if my sweatpants are the problem or if it's my makeup routine. So I took a really long time to make sure my base was right and to make sure like everything was just E1. I'm sorry about the darkness. That's much better, I guess. So now I want to do something really interesting. I've been thinking about this the whole week. I want to build an outfit with you guys. I already know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing all black just because really there's no particular reason. So black is literally my favorite color. And black is all I wear. So okay, they don't look very clean here, but these are my boots. They are Doc imitations. They're really good imitations, honestly, and I love them. These are my favorite pair of shoes currently. Love them. Like a nice fitting pair of jeans, high-waisted and skinny jeans. Have my hat. Okay, so that's that. I have fleece jacket and this leather jacket. I'm going to try both of them on, like with the outfit, and then decide. But first, okay guys, so this hairstyle, I really wish I had like hair accessories and stuff. Anyway, so I've added a pendant to this side, and then this side doesn't have a pendant. I need to get new piercings. Just get down to 16. Anyway, so this is the chain I'm wearing. But I bought it from Forever Gems on Instagram. Forever_gems if I'm not wrong. I'm going to tag like where I got the necklace and the earrings if you'd want to purchase. And anyway, so this is the bag I'm carrying. I'm highly certain this is my sister's bag. I found it at home, so I just cleaned it, but I think she's the one who bought it, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is the bag I'm going to carry. Of course, it's going to go with everything because my outfit is pure black. Hey y'all, hope you enjoyed my little styling segment, and I want to leave. Yeah, like my night is starting right now. That's how good you know it's gonna be. Yeah, I really like my makeup. I like how my eyes look. I'll show you guys once I apply like my lipstick, which is much later on, because first I need to find something to eat. I'm really hungry. Okay, I'm not really, but I need to eat. Hey y'all, so it's currently like 5 p.m. We're about to eat and then we leave because apparently the venue has like a capacity thing, so you have to be there early so you don't miss your spots.
And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen chips. When it comes to money, I did concentrate.
Hey guys, today is Saturday. We're going out for Shin City. This is a very last minute plan, but I'm really excited. I like last minute plans because they always turn out so muy bien. So this is my outfit, looking very cute. Didn't really have time to go with the dress code because I didn't have that many outfit options. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys can hear me. So we're about to leave. Oh, my skin looks nice. Anyways, we're about to leave. We're going to go to Amanda's pre-game and then go to Shin City. I'm so excited, honestly. I'm very excited. So see you guys.
Straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cat, right, good, I know fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cat, right, good. die for nothing.